karia utende for example mutu ke MC wo mukodi mwenda utie mangu irene ne mono ndethira tubo mukodi mabethe ndethe barabara ndethe chibitare ndethe abena ndethe majukuru ndethe abena ndethe mbingi mono so mbere mono kabisa siasani kando ya Mbecha kando ya Kinyari yetu rene kuma family mbere mono ku identify nantu barabongo barabena barabokonenkera kura no tugatoroka antu watuko ti karibu na antu ninya mono gwo kwina nontu yetu kembere mtu nakwenda mtu rakamuthikiria igu mwekuru kawaida kani mwana kawaida kani mukuru kawaida na kwenda mtu rakamuthikiria na kamuka hata utumana ti lazima ukuru kirengania keno kinyira mtu nontu thino chance atukira commercial atukire biashara yo kwe mtu kuthura kamenya uyu ntura na kona ngania uyu no muruthagira siasa na ndu ta siasa u nyundi ya director ke mtu wewe ngo muringi kura na utire mtu watharakanithie mundi kana mwekuru kona ndiko kana mtu ndiko mbokwira ombo tumana wakwa ya nyundi ya natu director na ingwetigia ikyo na fasi ne krete kwa ndina kanya ukara siasa rimenke ni yonde ndia nantu babo ngo director baba lingakura.
Okay, thank you so much mheshimiwa. Mbere tuchoka rutere ndo county ya Tharaka Nithi tukenda gutegera national politics kidogo tu then tumekuza tuchokera rutere ndo county ya Tharaka Nithi. Mheshimiwa, ni tuonete ukiwa sometimes back ni tuonete ukiwa buga support bwana William Ruto na ukamusupport under one condition ukia kwithira agatuma Kithure Kindiki ombe kwithirwa akia DP kana deputy president wa nthiguru yetu ya Kenya. Bwana deputy kana Kithure Kindiki nombere kwithirwa akia DP imbiyo yongwa omba kwithirwa ukiugwa nande at least bwina kintu kia wikumirie bukari antu batharaka no to at least nande bwina mtu enu urindene urabukumba ukinyila direct butu utumana yo gukuwa ni mtu omba kwaranira no direct kwina kintu kana kwi change wombete kwithirwa ukiona compared na deputy urongo wari kwa gitara mbere
mbere mono number 1 na utie conditions tuonekana hizo support Ruto lakini mbere mono kusema kweli katwalie tuli community ya Meru nontu gutire tofauti Mutharaka na Muimenti na Muitigania na Muembe kana Muchuka kana Rugondo Meru ni shimarene mono kwa tuna deputy president wa Kenya nontu ni mando mataonekana historia ya Kenya deputy president tiketike nini igitike nene mono kina nafasi nene mono ya ndiguru na mbere mono gatuchokeria Ruto nkatho nontu bagwetia kinya mwana wetu Kithure Kindiki atuika munini wake tuka deputy president mantu matonekana ngawo uno ntingi of course kuma tukwata uhuru twaina kutubaingie muno Kenya no bangaine bao baingi muno antu ba siasa tutara kwa tuna nafasi Ruto ino so number 1 katwira ngai bwega na tuchokere Ruto nkatho nontu bagwetia Kithure Kindiki atuika munini wake wa rais na tuwe nafasi nene muno tutura ndo Meru community kwa turi kumwimenti kuma doji mwanga tonyere kuigo tukira president poya muno ntubo twitigira ndoro gwetiga mwana wetu no tuge community Tharaka kala Meru community ya Sahuru na kuma tukunenkero Kithure na ino tumenyakanite Kenya mzima nontu Kithure narete face ya ndiguru president deputy president urangi are deputy president wa region nontu akari OPC wa central nontu aragenda Chenyeri mara Murang'a maranga wapi we no kwerawa so they know Kithure Kindiki kanete face ya ndiguru nontu mundu rimwe wajia roka mugwa Mombasa ukamugwa Pegori ukamugwa Kisumu ukamugwa kila mahali so gitwarire tuyengete muno za community mundu no kathiki nyasi cha Nairobi umete Meru no kwa Kithure Kindiki umete Tharaka kwa Kithure Kindiki so na kuma tukundunengera Kithure Kindiki nafasi ya tuka deputy president kanja mirandi mingi muno ya kuamete for the last 10 years tuina mirandi mingi muno ya barabara no kuona thaino tuina barabara ya kuma Miomponi ya na mete Mwanga Gachongo ya Mwanga Tharaka University tuina mirandi ya Chuka irayo ya kuamete kuma Membi kuina barabara ya Marachi ya kuamete siko process kuina barabara ya kuma Chuka ya kuamete siko process ini so kwa kubega tuwiwega muno no tuko tuna nafasi ira na nafasi tukendera muno as a community.
Okay. Yes. No kujire mheshimiwa no tunithiritwe pengine ukiarania na deputy president kwina tetezi kana complaints ira chombete kwithira kiuma ki wananchi bakiuga deputy president ya concentrate sana ntere ningi rather than nyumbani kana muchiko wawe Tharaka Nithi Meru
that is not true no ndike for the last few months but atakuwa na delegations zingi mono ikiuma Meru ikaya Kinyawa Kithure important empowerment mingi mono kuma Giment important empowerment kuma Maua important empowerment ya Tharaka Nithi Chongwa nyuni nguda empowerment in support to deputy president the other day Chakariga ana team achiri tatu actually na maybe in the next 2-3 days kwa tuna empowerment mukodhima is supposed to leave the president you know na number 2 they had to enda kuchokia deputy president muja kala ta virinja ndio mwanga huo Kenya nene chimba kwa tuna nafasi ya utika kitu kionekana muji na mko tuleta face ya Kenya and I'm very sure deputy president akogeria muno kumake sure kwamba gutie muntu rikaja bantu atagotoka Kenya muka kaunene bothirikari yes
uwo karia senator nkuigwa kiwa ibwari na empowerment imwera uwe wario ruterero mukothino Chakariga na taomba ku about this empowerment nonto ni manto anto bethirito bagikira siasa sana bakiwa empowerment ni kwa lakini tutethia mwananchi wa kawaida kethera ni mbechiri kweja no anto bakwa ni mbechiri ni tumbo tethia mwananchi wa kawaida kiugo karia mutongeria wa
tharakaniti of course mbere number 1 untu bukiambira bunde boy challenges uti untu bwanjageria bu boys a success story untu bukiambira mbere number 1 mungo boy na challenge ya parapara ndamo kuona kinya sha ya mantuma chibitare kana chief utiondo bomba geria we success story kwa munde na uke wana wewe kukiambira biashara kwa struggle bio we maisha mambagire na thina so empowerment mbere muno itukinyira antu thirikari ukinyira mwananchi wa kawaida lakini of course kuna policy tuko na kuthondeka maybe mbechiri kana nkero kira maybe institutions kana ngoro masacos kuruba kaumba mbecha bakaumba gwetethia kana na bali bakaroma mbecha bakaumba gwetethia kana bakaroma mbecha bakaumba gwetethia na chira mikakati lakini for now interest yetu muno as government kukinyira antu kukinyira ikundi biekuru kukinyira na baithi kenda wewe of course nukodika na policy yetu thirikari ya Kenya kwanza yari asora kwa hiyo tuenda kukinyira mtu kawaida kaenda tubukiria na basically that's what we are doing lakini of course in the next level to cover the institutions maybe to identify bank with a transition sacco or any other bank for that matter kala solution sacco bechiriga kirogo kenda maybe antu bako assess bechira batena kachachi kaya chumbo teli antu and of course kuruba kedera ni kundi bakoroma bechira kenda bomba gweteria maybe kagita karaya so it's a process kubangwa ya
so do you think kinyanto bango bakithira betumira mubango jopo thuku mweshimwa nonto some days back itonere deputy president akibera baraba kuteta ni antu baraba kunenkerwa mbecha mtu akathugani pengine mbecha itu anenkero twaya na ciringi manere kana jathatu kana manatano wo uraikana wito ciurire kirinda kana ciurire kiratu kana cithithiri mantu jange do you think kinyanto baiba kutha batumira mbecha ibo thuku nonto pengine babatere gwikira kethira ikire ikundi ne bukabangania ni mubango jwe kubomba kutha bukirita ta gikundi
no gintu kia mbere muno gatu na tradition yale tradition yetu ya Kenya timbaga nonto of course Kenya me antu bale asiumba chiricha siasa ila timbia cha siasa imbia cha taxpayers nali wote
yes
so mentality yetu ya mentality ya imbia cha siasa me antu titu tupira wera bwega so na intamanto bakwenda bathomithwa for example loko thukethera gikundi okarengera ngirigana timbia chokara nyuma ya tent bode bukagana matano mairi matatu kila mtu kana mbia chake imbia cha gwikira bantu wi bank na maybe karodo ntu kurabumba gutethia ntu lakini mbia cha kugana na gwata view ntu wigana tende for example kathukethera gikundi kira ntu magana mairi kamanga ngirigana rimwe bakagana mimi matano bechi ketira na magana matano maitethia lakini gekiro bantu bechira maybe no itethia guntu karodo ntu bunge ka project kana ntu bunge so I think antu bakwenda civic education na tradition tu ni ono at least at the end of the day antu bona mbia cha sasa bakwenda chamana bueno so I think ito kwa na mikakati ya kuthomithia antu bechira timbia cha kugana mbia cha maybe wikire university somewhere kenda maybe at the end of the day at the end of the month wona kanyambu for continuity.
Okay, thank you so much. Itonete the former president Uhuru Kenyatta kwimiario mbere kwithirwa kirita icho na omba kwithirwa kiwa flagship project ira ciaritio na ira baringirite gituma sana kenda ciendelea nicio president William Ruto ejire noe athiria flagship project yuja tu for example SGR Lapset na agwa project sombo tete mwananchi Linda Mama na tiomba kuthirwa ikithirwa rima tutonete nya deputy president akiariria ugwa Linda Mama yare kulinda mama akio ugwa gwito mama but with the SHA at least ni kumboka kila mtu mukuru mwekuru mwana na kila mtu kimtazamo yako kana according to your opinion omba kuthirwa kiuga atya
uru nakwendia Matiang'i of course ngararagio rage forum ni ya kunenkara Matiang'i gitekia mbiri kia nini nafasi ya kutuika mwene Jubilee ili siasa of course leo kwenda kwenye mtu akuto mwanka umenedi kitu kila kingi so I think Uhuru ajira na Raila ali presidential candidate wake na Kenya bamurega Kenya bataragia Raila and of course Uhuru ajira na Raila wakienda ya Raila watu kanoka na kudankana na antu balega no of course batetege mantu mau aruthaga so tuithia kari magwire muno na ino ndi gutuka Ruto gutuka president so I think it is siasa cha kawaida of course no kwenda kwenda kintu gya kunu mwanga kwa thina mburi thoko ni wenu yakore matha ino norete kariuna what have you so those are just politics yes I think Kenyans no compare on of course no ukijanga ntibara kwareria tika kinda kwareria ntibara jire goro arari antu bara thaga na watu na kwa mundi so I think can't bambo compare Linda Mama na Linda Jamii Sha na all these things Kenyans makamwa i program ile kulembaga
augite mantu jathatu mweshimiwa boibo mwapo mbere bojaire na ririte mantu jegie security na kuwe itare yawe na bwana president William Ruto ibethirite baki empower security sana ya ndiguru ya Kenya untubura kwa na Ruto nabo tumirite na njire nthuku kwithirwa baki kandamiza ne mwananchi wa kawaida instead ya kwithirwa security ni nira ne ku protect mwananchi kwa tuka ne yo mukandamiza for example akawa waria antu thaiba tena freedom of speech kana bate kumba kwaria muno no ntu waria ukaretro thina kana waria ukerwa u kana ukaijirwa mantu tajau na kinde mantu jege njenzi na young people itujonete yes ukajiri Subaru yes ukajiri Subaru so kwa tuka antu bate kumirinya kwaria mantu ja mengi jege thirikari what do you think as a leader is it true that security yetu Kenya ni mbete kuthira itumiro bodhu ku
meyambere muno utire mutaro ntukonengana wa shahidi au kwamba mwana wangania watwa kana tuweka abducted kwa meiko ina story cha abductions and so many other things so basically ndikwenda kuinterrogate mathwani Uhuru Kenyatta nonto mbere muno kagita ka Uhuru twaina Rivanyara iyo wethagira ntu bakiro ora Rivanyara because in a lot of issues so basically wewe wakuve watu tokuwa this is kagita ka siasa we are going into an election 2007 so kagita kwa kila mtu anaenda kuhakikisha kwamba candidate wake sawa na mwaka Uhuru ameneria serikali ino kenda candidate wake ona nafasi so I think tuthia kana kwina thina ya freedom of speech nonto tiregwa kana kwi muntu waretio ntu awatu na baba leaga kitharakero yetu tharakanithi na Kenya mzima antu batinda kuruma actually utimu kwina freedom of speech ngorogia Kenya kwina some countries muntu kijota weta president Ruto tinda kurumango yeye kasungu yeye ngasakayo yeye ngau yeye utiwa tete to in this country bakindike ba tinda gweto yeye ngasapurano yeye ngakali yeye ngafire si fire yeye nganoma si noma you know and people are talking freely tu they are going about when freedom of speech kuruge Kenya iburingi of course kagita kondere kagita ka siasa utibu teto so I think it's not something that we should supposed to be very serious about
what about politics? Not according to him, either one ya politics ire kuringwa thai ni politics ya division. Kana tia kuchagura antu bamwe over others. Do you think kuna division teo?
Division is siasa. Division is siasa tiura. Natika kirera bidia kono. No, of course Kenya tuatike structure ni kabila. Mtu ringaji cha Kenya. Right? Ukathera mtu ndo wa kabila fulani ka support system na. Ndo wa kabila fulani then for example Jaruo no katina kovero ntuboga batiego baringa gura cha ira. Right? Na ino ndi antu baba kisibo ndo munde bawa matia nonto of course no kwenda Gikuyu kina antu bao. So I think that is structure ya Kenyan politics. Wewe na itiura I think we manto maybe makarakara to kianjira ku mandress not of course siacha Kenya chia tribes na ukabila so I think no tore agu na ngwete ya ticha chumbo kulia ndiguru bwaga na itsikakita cha mberia na Ruto tikakita Ruto na chongo enka na ibu ana Ruto many mtu geto Uhuru wa chia chaka na buwa ngebonde so it's a Kenyan context yes
bwana Ruto nethiritwa kia accused so much on to bwa changes imingiro mbete kuthirwa akithithia systems for example kuna system ya education irantu bakuwa model ire rikuthai tutethia mwananchi compared to the former one kuna mantu ya NHIF na SHA kwina mantu jama ingi jaraja kwirikanagia chinchitwe na yatutethi mwananchi wa kawaida compared ne itarira system irandu betherwa bagitumira. What do you think is the problem kana imbiyongo makudura ina thina kiri system irati ku?
I think Ruto has better than bullet. You know, inquiry kwera, you know, untubunda bukiambire bwe na challenges. And for example, sha kana noto kwena matuma housing. Housing igere tukunyukuma bake yarema yageriba uru yarema Ruto ajira ku implement. Or system change education. Kwena challenges zingi I've talked to very many teachers. Kinya institution check thomo na wata kwena challenges zingi mono. But of course no mangatu ambire bantu na antu bakiajiria matu ngo kuna teething problems. So I want to assure maybe the education fraternity, Mantumairo, the fraternity, and all these things. Challenge, you know, there is just a short term. We are working on something in the Senate, so people should be patient. In the next 3 months or so, system will be Mexican.
Okay.
Yes.
What about the deputy president? Nontukia kuthikira mtu ya Gachagua, the impeached deputy president. Nombete kwithirwa akiarimaria mingi sana gukonia Professor Kithure Kindiki akiwa gitikira kiari kiawe. Na we engiro gitene nontu bwa kwithirwa ati kwari yamini na kuhuria biuria sana. For now akawa Professor Kithure ni a yes man person. Do you think na batere kwithirwa a yes man kana tibuko batere kwithirwa gukariu?
You know, kagita konde utimbo tuka deputy president wa mtu kana munini wa mtu utikwo kwali akoroki yake. No, you know, Gachagua became almost like a co-president. You know, Kithure is not the only deputy president we are aware of. Utwa ina Kalonzo ni deputy president wa Kibaki. Taiwa Kalonzo kireti kanyo akoroki yake Kibaki. Right? Yes. Ruto yowe ngwa as much as na deputy president wa Uhuru Kenyatta for 10 years. Taiwa kireti kanyo ngiyankorokia Rwangara yao ngiachambire kidogo. Wana kinyamu jino yetu in our context, the family context. Utimbo kwethera mwe kuno ukire kanyo ngiyankorokia mukuru. Right? Kinyama chukuru meto utimbo kwethera deputy president no ukiria deputy principal kana deputy head teacher. Ukire kanyo ngiyankorokia ya head teacher. So I think Kithure Kindiki should be a yes man. Yes, don't do yes man. Even of course, you know, as a deputy president, he is supposed to be the principal assistant to the president. That is the format ya presidency. Yes. Yes man equally like. Yes man. Where is he now? Yes, you know. You are competing with your boss. In the end context, it's no mongo dikire mwananu waku, no mongo motediera kwenda kana gutethwa. So utimbo kutuka deputy president wa korona mwanene kumochambagia kumuruma everywhere and all these things. So I think Kithure is doing the right thing. Tunio royo tunio indiri kene moya tuki deputy vice president wa Kenyatta almost like 15 years. And initially mwisho akakuwa president wa Kenya. Kibaki became a deputy president wa Moi for a very long time, and initially became actually wala Kithure Kindiki royo tuni akaya yes man kamwekera gutukoya. Yes. Okay. So he should not be cowed, he should not be intimidated by anybody. He has to be a yes man, tuone kiatu kuona na Mulungu akamutedia.
Do you think opposition bejite na njira bejite niyo ya kuatanira amwe kana kwijamo bakuwa barenda kwijamo barete kana barite mtumo? Is it a threat to the
it is not a threat. No, of course, man, you know, Kemakeunda Ruto is a system. And he is doing very well. He is putting up a lot of structures across the board. But of course, time will tell. But I don't think there is a threat. Nobody would spend a sleepless night over the opposition. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Kiugo mheshimiwa we mutongeria no tukinya we mutongeria na in fact ni thirito we cia stand for so long. Ikwithirite kwina mantu za mwingi jara jombite kwithirwa jagita na mbere na ituonete ikwithiritwo kwina miarie mingi sana irantu bakuria niki nontu mtu atara cie gitarira ari thirikari-ini kana niki nontu atoragia biuri biu akuona kuria egitarira ari thirikari-ini. Do you think it's a genuine complaints kana kwaria kwawe ni kwaria kwi genuine egitarira kwarithaia kira wananchi utwita cousins kuwa antu ba Mount Kenya bonde ni ma cousins kana ni brothers kana sisters ni matu tutone egitarira ari ku what's your opinion on that?
Ukadiwa chonge mwako diba tari to chak au chamentura nagu yeya utiero da gabo tia karabo so the future no chaka jagu aragia ya tinja to you know ukagwa na level so good so genuine and all these things that we are out to allow the president chaka gwa public kana kaira monana o matuma ti me all these things so mundu mutura wera you can say anything so tium to the chaka jagu bara ya o ngabo bukari yeya ngasi nini anga Mount Kenya high cousins kajo nende amenyire kama cousins so timu ndo katika chagua seriously when let him nurse his frustrations kakitaka ukombe I don't think whether somebody would take a chagua seriously yes so I think ukakuwa nale mtu genuine aya kuraga kinyago tuka deputy president baruto no tika kenya deputy president tika kenya ruto ale mugani gega chagua waiene na iye kariona nona na ategeria actually achiasa muno ngikoyuke ondakromba kura kilo asome na things na mwisho wanekero ketika deputy president na the first place Gachagua wana Kenya members of parliament brava and of course ketika deputy president got together subjected into almost like a voting right? He lost severally so antobaba on the bamuye this is not the right person to be the deputy president so they know kwa kutuira simply because no angatiro geteni o sijui nini ati oyo nganini story mingi hoi cousin and all these things is not here or no there. It's not something that people can take it seriously. Yes.
Okay. Ato kijukia leadership in general nonto ukeja kutegera no kuria sometimes no kuiba antu bakiuria pengine nonto thirikari yetu nithiritwe ina mantu mengi sana tharo kuiba antu by complain about lakini at the same time ikwerekana pia kinyanto bara wina bono tukinyowe mutongeri na wina antu baku ikwerekana antu bara wina bori muno batume ukethwa wina good leadership lakini kwa tweka ba umithukia na pengine wote kumenya kana you are not aware for example ukeotegera president gitarira ya Gen Z na ugire antu bakaura lakini baratho mauru then tukaona a certain MP no agichumiria kagwari bakaratho mauru hiyo ni punishment kidogo iborawe aya then ukeja kairo katrima mtoja CS interior na kuwa police kuitia mauta ki public it's not corruption at the same time aitokuwa president no na atiumiti kuwa na kwenda fight corruption including kinya ki parliament including ki senators including ki nyumba cionde cia sheria na kila kitu do you think Kenya nto bravo ngwa kuritaniria bongo ino bethero ibobo muthukiria leadership wewe
so I don't want to speak ntikwenda kwa niaba ya CS wa interior nonto CS wa interior ya kurugama kauga ati wale police station kuripoti case angara polisi na maguta ati polisi bagatia raia mbia tuetia kaneno yaonekana Kenya that is one of the most irresponsible statements that I've ever met as a senator kana maisha mantu the siasa tego ndo tobu of course you know polisi bafanda with taxpayers money na mechire okwe na allocation level actually polisi baba batamechire mingi muno mang other security institutions, right?
Yeah.
So it's not acceptable. Now maybe in the future, to ask subject 30 minutes to some questions in front of the house. Then I give them go to contract kere minutes or interior more cross in the katiba nereko. So I think that situation should be condemned with the biggest terms possible. It's not something that is acceptable. At the Murayadi kuripoti case ya polisi na maybe there is a crime that has been committed or the way they can polisi tena maguta we rutambecha that is not something that should be accepted.
Yes.
Number two the chair president kuangani andi barala maguru buga mialide want to come whether it was it was misquoted to come kadare ni aleo kaeta leo so utiba the provision negative kuwa noanga that's when something is life threatening. On the end, for example, Gen Z kita barungilete bunge.
Yes.
Na cause a lot of damage actually. We know the whole instance was very ugly. So I think te wakija president wakati tunuka ile na wewe kubewen wewe na nyambura lakini ageki pakadogia. So I think some of those statements are very responsible.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Kwina mbombo mitata kweli kwina witeke kana believe ndikumenga tumira the right word lakini kwina untu burandu bagwitikia pengine batu turi twingwa like Amiru urauwire ni Amiru tusiete Amiru twinde nundu turi Amiru no twithirwo twingwa katutithirwo twina support of our own considering Professor Kithure Kindiki Mumiru thai ena giti kinene sana torauwire kitomba kuona ringi in history lakini ukiakolelia ntu baba ingi baraba kwithirwo bakirwa nwe ni Amiru baraba kuotengo igwitwa ni Amiru baraba ku empowerment programs itesa sawa wengi ni wa Meru. Do you think akinya batu twingo tomba kwithirwa twina shortage of kwa tukumba ku support antu betu twingwa
ndatimoni mbibeleko wala na pastor mwe akombera kiroria tije gene kwao. You know?
Yeah.
I know Mugongo Meru gunta wari ku embrace Kithure Kindiki. Right? Onto Mumero wa Imenti, Maua, Tigania, Tharaka, Bumbo na chuka na wata vile tore ya Meru. Na inkwiri kaenda kwa tiki ni gite historical. Gite tarako na kwa kanete in the history of this republic. To kweli?
Yes.
So where that you know kwa watu bakiaria wo sijui nini watu na mantu maingi. Ibura wona kiroria tije kenda ntora. No gumeanda ino gatira kiroria ntoro kadi kuringe wo tugeto ankararu. Utigete kiroria ntora wa. So I think these things are biblical. Lakini ngwetegia quite a big number of people and Meru community will support Kithure Kindiki. He has been around maybe for I think for us for almost like 1.5 years. He is going to do some other big things. So let's give him time. Na inkoromba Meru bonda bantu bari ba support mwana wetu. Nonto wanatio na tuna president tika kida tuna mubango tika tia Mumeru atiumba kuwena president wa Kenya nonto maromba meto ma 2022 irutu ale ke tunengere Kithure Kindiki atuge rais wa Kenya tuge yako Mumeru lego. Yes.
Okay. Hatu tugicokera county ya Tharaka Nithi mheshimiwa tukwenda tweta na inya muno Kirimantu Jegi national government tuchokere county ya Tharaka Nithi wone thire to senator for 3 years na nuthire to wiki committee fulani ya senate na kiri igita ndonere bukithiurunka ndene account mwanya ndene county Tharaka Nithi ndonere kintu kira speaker aromere aburomba ni akuromba ugo you are the chair this is your second term na nombere kwithirwa akiburomba bu bathingatire mbecha cia woka chambers yithiritwe ria mabati for so long I think from around 2014 or something kume gitara wari MCA na mwanka thai antu baba tomba kuthirwa bagiokiro chambers ndongi ni mbio jongo yomba kuthirwa yina thina nontu tolele county ni ringi Kinya Meru county ya Mutori itukona bena chambers ndongi heshimiwa ibakiri nyumba ndongi obu weto watonya nyumba rako na nyete ni nyumba mheshimiwa lakini weja Tharaka Nithi ugatrima kuina thina heshimiwa bairia nyumba cia mabati. What's the problem? Nontu kuma 2014
problem number 1 you know chamber ya Tharaka Nithi mbara moro ya thire yatuika exaggerated kiri quotation nontu ya kawaida almost like 340 million ya procurement procedure watuika china some irregularities so the matter was taken by EACC. Tuko magana kwa so the matter was taken to EACC for investigations. So county assembly ya Rugamu that was around 2015 akaita kuna MCA na sheria iliwa county assemblies the much that a county assembly is supposed to consume in the matter of work and water is supposed to be around 180 to 200 million. So I remember I took the county assembly and the speaker to the president to the other leaders. The president proposed that county assembly chambers should be scaled down to 200 million. I think that was around 6 months ago. Na Ruarua, I remember I think a month or so, ndari na committee yakwa ya delegation legislation. I happened to be the chair in the Senate.
Yes.
Committee on delegation legislation. Ndari na quite a number of senators. Akadwana, we visited the site. They have done a very good job. The foundation name Bikere. Na treat the contractors on site as we talk. So I think we're making some forum. I remember the president gave us some assurance that this budget, the 20 million, will be released. So I think hopefully in the next 2 or few months, I think county assembly will be on its feet. Yeah, now it will be a big breakthrough. Of course, it's a shame. Twin county assembly, Sindong, Moromero, the neighboring counties, Embu, and so many other counties. Mwangala, I know county assembly that are it's not something that we are not supposed to
follow up.
Talk about.
Okay.
So I think the process of our county chambers is hot. I can assure you, the county, members of county assembly are aware, Kenya speaker, or a president are aware. We have been pushing, we have been doing so many things to make sure that we get some decent structures. Yes.
Wow. Tukiotegera bado we kiri committee we bado itukuona no wite the first time ibwa pushite mwanga bwatigira laws cia mantu ya pricing yege mira jakumba kuthiro ja ikurukuka kana kwa gazette ni Ministry ya Agriculture. Nombe kuthiro kitwerezera kidogo nontu bando itukuona mwakira thaimira ina thina mugukajo ina thina antu bara batena thoko antu bara bakurwa no ithiro pengine ukitwerezera nontu bando wina that capability ya kupush
mbere muno Minister wa Agriculture kagitha kweta wa mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi. Mithika came before my committee in the chair. Aleta regulation chamera. Regulations is very impressive. Na tomu kurukiria regulations. And of course, the ministry will better regulators. We will let those regulations. Kaba kurukiria. Chiara yenda tu imbaga mono chia kumenyera mulimo mera. Imbaga mono chiara gire mantuma mulimi. Mantumu biashara, mantuma katira. Lakini no, mera ne adongire yakarieta. You know, it's a very complex industry. Nto yadongeri kateos. Na mamburuka zimegoro mono. Ukadigo ile kuroda regulations, lakini wao regulations ya tumakateos wana ntuma kwa mimi batikomba gotenda ka create those regulations ndo barenda ma shortcut. Magunyire mulimo mera. Wakadike ministry bakenengana na mbia. Datirabu kubangete kwa senate. Na bila kwa kurogecha hoteli mulimo kawaida yebo koyo kawaida kama kwa kawaida. Igidi tuika brushed off. According to the shots, then those regulations are washed away. So I think it is the responsibility of the government to make sure kwamba was streamlined those regulations and make sure kwamba regulations yetu akurukirie as a Senate, as a committee, will be implemented.
Okay.
Yes.
So you wanted to mean kuteomba kudura kuina njira antu babomba ku identify the cartels. Non to cartels ini antu bethiri to bakiri kana iba kumenyekana. Lakini onto bakumenyekana bando no kwaga niki no thirikari ite kujukieta gari riu dia ku plug out antu bau ne bakumenyekana.
I guess I think that cartel in some very deep network yake thirikari. So it's not something that you can just wake up one day go plug and all these things. So I think that's a matter in that ochagiri utweka chini some very deep discussion. Nondo ntiere yawa. Bora muntu akatina mundani no kwengemera no kulima and all these things lakini muntu yoka waidu tito kutada kanamera. So there are some foreigners and tubakinyam but then akinyam mbio woba about tada kanamera. So we did some very beautiful regulations. Minister Linturi no other minister at that time. He brought it before my committee. Ya natomo the regulation mpaka mmoja tada yambuli biashara na Kenya export and everything else. I think I can share those regulations with you.
Okay.
Lakini nyamwili to mbo kinyandegoro. Yes, ya dia chari ngurogoro makatero zbamu. Tokora na ambaje non to of course regulations ile chaba inyage na hapa na pale non to regulations chari purely cha utadi ya mulimi. Yes. Na batiko da mulimi atendeka.
Okay.
Renda wende miraya go karen karanto ba kodira mubuko ori tancho karanga. Yes.
So unfortunate.
So I think I will call upon the government to make sure kwamba regulations zile take implemented na kena chombo tadi mulimo mera. Itakinyeta ndegoro kana thirikari itakuthungira yombo tadi ya mbara to just nara de.
Okay. Kwina issue warisite mheshimiwa last year mantu jegie ndwa seke mianka between Tharaka Nithi County and Meru County. Naomba kuthira ukiwa antu barabara affected muno batere kuthira bene inya title deed cio na woria kinya CS wa lands waome ombe kuthirwa akithingatira kuona antu bau kuona title deeds na kinya kuthiria andu ucio mbite kuthirire katikati ka Tharaka Nithi na county ya Meru. Mantu chacho mbite kuthirwa kinya ku nontu itukona bando
na kinya next week ndi na kiuria giku the same question. Na waome ambedire that approach ile ndambo agency ministries nontu kuna minister lands na interior. right? Non to tende, for example, to in issues carry monachi and demarcation, non to demarcation chega to kilishita within a span of 1 month or so ikamama, non to what those issues the chamianka. You know, it is very unfortunate. But you know, 60 years down the line, mianka 60, mianka 70, kumtatuira kiyate karatasi kuiwake. Non to go into a disputed area, yanga guiko baba, yanga guko, mwangam do to the rakanithi, no yoina. Antibaba tutaka internally displaced persons. Antibaba to get displaced. Untuba conflict in which America. By na guntu with on Toroni. Now, Naruru, Mianka almost like 20 years now. Munda Tiro Toro, Bediro Meji, Chukuru Mabe Dua, they are there. Because of those small issues here and there. So basically, request here, my resolve was make sure that Ministry of Konenka Muntu, Taito Yakako Arari. I remember I brought the committee, Senate, I think 2014. That I think a question to any go to it on Toroni, all the way, Mwanka, Kirim all that was going to one city, Mwanka Molinda, make sure that report is very clear. And we to make it sure Kwamba Ministry of Akomanya. But of course, I don't know what happens. And I'm still pushing to make sure that Muntori Menti, Muntori Taraka, Muntori Tiganya Kanagembe, Akwata. It doesn't matter where you live. It's not about where you live. No, you know, Mudarakora, you know, the Mawa, Nadero Mawa. It's not about anything else. It's about ownership of your land. And that's what I'm pushing for. Yes.
And you're sure, okay, I could back at ownership in disputes.
Of course, get together, I want to go in a conflict. You know, team to work. I know, for example, then, you know, Muntu Akweri work on Tina Manatas, you know, that is a dispute already. Like even at Taito, Akuna Mutu Nakuja Kwambia Panikwangu. So I think once we get those to this, I think we are sorted. And that is my fight. I want to make sure that to forward those things are there. Yes.
Okay. Tuchoke ruterene rwa education mheshimiwa. Tuonete ripoti imwe imirite kiri nyumba cia ndeto kwina cukuru ithukangi sana ndene kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi na macukuru ja ukejotagera twina leaders. We have an MP, we have the senator, twina governor na all other leaders barabari ndene kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi. Why kana ni bibi umbo toma kwa tuka ana iba kuthomera rungurwa muti kana ome na kana irati ne biantaka ya bira tuona yet we have leaders in Tharaka Nithi barabara batere kuthaba ishughulikia mantu taja
ogera mwanka kwe munturu kwe mukuru wetawa Muriuki Karue ari muyumbe wa Nyandarua nagu aretire sheria mbunga ya yetawa Constituency Development Fund yetawa CDF. CDF ya jira no ndo tuweka muyunga rimwe ayaka wa chukuri wa kubururu ntina mbecha and all these things. So every constituency gets money. Actually they know who are constituency don't need to chigo 200 million per year. So they know kidu kede chukuri nantaka I know it's a big ship.
Very true.
And of course mbecha chano chagiri waka machukuru. We have very good constituencies. In very nice schools. I've been all over the country. But look at the constituency, you know, Machukuru very decent, Machukuru Mena Towers, Machukuru Mena Roye, Machukuru Mena Chukuru. But look at the primary school or the secondary school. The same constituency. Counterpart constituency together Chukuru Boru, Chukuru Chiantaka, Chukuru Kinyana, Bacolomera, Untokiyota Mayakana, Untokiyak in Egotagi, Toronto. Okay, Muntukinya Chukuru on one hand, but they go away Chukuru. So it's something. It's not something. It's not
right.
It's not adding up. Don't talk about the constituency. Actually, Kenya constituency, the neighboring counties, they are doing extremely very well. Yeah, Tarangawaya now some. Actually, I've been very close to very many schools. We look at the Kenya Limu to Kurawa, Kanariwa Momongwa, Mutaruma Chukuru Kenya, and Kenya motivation, Kenya Kobamu Chukuru Ghana. How do you teach in a class? Kenya Kirasi King Kolo Tita Kwamuna and Joka. Kirasi Antono, you pay the Hana Grometi, Tarakano constituency. I think Taraka is the worst performing constituency in this. I think the entire Meru and Taraka did. Yes. In terms of schools infrastructure, and roads and Abarama and all these things. I think you want to teach you Senator, you want Tina Kitty, Senator Tina Kitty. Quim the Deva go. Ngeto kudhukiria nga deputy president yeto deputy president bagumani na irasi. He has been a senator for 10 years. Atina kiti ya waka machukuru. We have had several members of parliament in this constituency. Toenda bahauna wange mgeto na mayumbi. So I think there are some people supposed to answer those questions. Nondo kwe mtu kunenkoro mbecha chera iya. Taraka ya dhiraneti mbecha goti akanenkoro mbia kairo diwa waka machukuru akalamu waka. So who is supposed to answer
what
those
happens mheshimiwa nontore wone dore towe mheshimiwa an MCA na MCA ngisivo bethara bakithithia oversight ya mantu jira chonte ja kuendelea kimba njentira yekairo ya waka tuwe kethirani irasi biu na kinya kiri MP no tuno batere kwa irase na gavana batere waka irasi bia ECD. Then what happens ni on to accountability kuthithwa kana antu bara batere kwa biuri ni kionto batere kwa biuri na omwaka kwina mbecha ireti kirisia waka irasi.
You know, as an MCA, I did several classes in Mukodima. Very many classes. I can't even count them. Right?
Yes.
Now, you know the primary oversight ya counties. Primary, the most basic. Ya kuambiria kabisa na primary, the core primary ni MCAs.
Yes.
They are supposed to oversight the government.
Very true.
Right? And the members of parliament are supposed to be oversighted maybe by an audit. Yeah. There is an audit team who is supposed to oversight the members of parliament for that matter. So, Tiogotori senators, we are supposed to oversight the governor, and we oversight the governor through the audited report. Unless maybe you are in politics. No, getting us, yes, or no, governor finding and all these things. Like, you know, get that oversight the governor, come oversight through the audited report. Auditor Kaya County. This money, this is what the government was able to receive. This money was not to this and that and that and that. So I think the core business here, especially constituencies, they're personally responsible. We are those primary schools, member of parliament. And I have not into any issue with the existing member of parliament.
Yes.
It's about the constitution. It's not about, I have no beef with any sitting member of parliament. You will be on the those in represented classes, Chukwuemeka of America. The only person who is supposed to answer those questions is a member of parliament. Not the deputy president, not a senator, not an MCA. Yes.
Kuna kiuri ngondo clarify ya mheshimiwa nonto itonete ugoge tano gakira skuru imwe gate. Ikiuri antu bakuria atiri ibuno ngondo clarify nonto nande uwe uro kuelewa manto ja kana uro batere kudu akithithia manto ja mwananchi wa kawaida na arare ati kuelewa. Nuthire togia ka gates in different schools na mtu nakuria nikinonto mheshimiwa omba ku prioritize gwakira skuru gate yet kwina chukuru ana batina kuntu kwa kuthomera kana batina kinya irasi bibia bya ukara.
You know I don't do gates through that gates as this is not my priority. I receive requests.
Okay.
Right? As school would just gang up with the committee and the leadership. Pambele mheshimiwa, we have no gate. How is this gate a priority? We cannot task you into putting up a class because that's not your responsibility. You know, because the whole school is rotten. They need about 8 classes. Get in there with my own money, 10% of my salary, right?
Money from your pocket.
Money from my pocket.
Okay.
I am not getting money from any quarter. It's my own money, my salary, my allowances. Nimeenda mahali fulani, nimelipa some little money, nimekuja hapa, nimejenga hapa na what have you. So if how does a senator udhere chukulie na 8 classes irati biondo biantondo bitie klasi bitie kinyandirisha bitie anything bitie towers bitie anything. So how do I put up a whole school with my own initiative? Okay. So basically what I'm doing, I'm only giving back to the community kitu kidogo yangu tu, and I'm doing this out of the request ya wazazi and the committee. I will not put up a gate to a school without request ya jiadi. Na jiadi bambira bakambira mheshimiwa tuwagere gate, our children are so vulnerable. Yeah, tuko kwa kijiji tu kwa mtu ngondoni na vitu tino bantu wakuibitha tuwagere no kangeti tuoneka itachuku. That's basically what I'm doing. It's not about me.
Okay.
I am just responding to the request. I remember the other time to Ariani secondary school, Ariani is in Mukodima. I brought about 10 senators. They are putting up a very nice gate. Why are you protecting on gates between the laboratory? But of course, I'm not a member of the board, so I cannot make decisions. Kama board wameketi chini wamesema wanataka gate, I brought them senators. I brought them my 1 million, I think 1.2 million. Ariani. So they put up a very nice gate. So I received another request, Kirimbo, primary school in some parts of Katonga. Kirimbo, I did them a very nice gate. I received another request from Karieni.
Yes.
Karieni, I did them a very nice gate. I received another request from Wanyani Primary School in some parts of Conte. I did them a very nice gate. I have a request from Karocho. Another request to Kacharaka. Another request, so many other schools. Marimbira Mwashimua, Lokwegwa, Tuakereka again, and Tiotoraka Tajuku. So I have no business. Business yakwa, iko responsible. Poraba jiari na kamete wako na tabako ita. And you know, uyo waka gate chukuru ya ntono. Chukuru, whether kaya kiya chukuru ni antaka, that's biomo kangire. But that is their priority. So why do I do? What do I do? Na hii sandaka yakwa, this is my salary. So I have no any other business. Business yako ku make sure kwamba all the parents wote na kabete ndio nafanya.
Okay.
So
kuna irasi withire togio kama mheshimiwa. No tukuma report hiyo kuma banete ku na cukuru wakirite irasi.
I went to a school in some parts of Gatonga, Keondi Kerandi. Kwikirati kiambiru agunde thirikari county government those times. So I have done a very nice class there and nimewatengenezea with my own money. Kwegwa no to my resource you nchumba kara wonto kutekwa that is me. Kwegwa and it really no to go no muno with kinyama chukuru mama ngo kodwa tura methori. Kwegwa no to mwana uyo wetu ana wetu bakara chukuru meri kenda paia.
Why?
9 months.
How?
Paia. How many months?
9 months.
Yes. Ana wanakaa shule miezi 9 paia. Wanakaanga nyumbani 3 months.
Kwa nini?
Wani what is the structure of the school? Wani watoto wanafunga shule miezi ngapi paia?
Miezi 3. Miezi 3.
So yeah, only 3 months. So actually wanachukuru chetu chicha kirikuri ile mpaka ngorogia our homes. Uduka thera twana ginya biro bia kuthi twana. Biro bia mabati bio mukangire. Kioro kimo kinala magana mairi. Twana twitinda ginya kwina kioro na around and you know I even wonder kinya nene by education. What are they doing?
Yeah.
Ani murungo tete tia to ginya kwa kwina utu ginya kibendo huko. It's just by God's grace.
No kuthawiwi gutuma wenda gite kia mpimo.
I am telling you the truth. Yeah. That no, I must go back to my people. Narobira ntoba kwa chuka rola, na maanda vera pana, we can't continue like this. Wacha nirudi Tharaka niwasaidie. We can't continue like that. We no mkato choka to tedi mugongo yo wetu to atedi. No to you know some things are very shameful. Na nto kabona barabara ndibe kileta magoti choko kabisa bakiara gichungu. Lakini chukuri chiaulire. Tharaka eno mundu turi Tharaka constituency mundu ko dichu cheko re domero. Ukenda kuona chakoni mbega no mwanko wetire bo maua ukathiba chuka ukathiba mara ukathiba embu ukathiba miru yo kathi kuona secondary yo kathi wethera chuka boys wethera chogoria wethera ngamiru school wethera ngankobo wethera kasiju nini wethera ngako Tharaka hakuna shule wona mwana wa kuma ndiguro chanja awaita Tharaka no nga mwana ndemi urako ateto Tharaka na aguga kero joka wero we can't continue like that.
It's so unfortunate.
Natoka beti ya chukuru toka beti ya kidomo asa kwa vile tethari we are done.
Very true.
Yes. Kithomo ikio maisha ma mtu. Mundu cheupe kwa kwa temo dogo tiorea. Hakuna mtu hata kagua amekujua. So kithomo is not something that we are supposed to know shit. And I have a very clear picture in my mind. We must make sure that we put everything right. Yes. Na through that we are cha proxy kana cha pretense kana cha hypocrisy.
Cha PR.
Cha PR. Mimi sifanyangi biashara ya PR. Yes.
Okay. Kuna unto bungu mpenda ukilarifaira mheshimiwa kuna mantu you accused of not welcoming the student from Tharaka igitara bezite kuriunga Senate. Kuna mwambo kuro no ugire na maybe anto abako miskutre or something I don't know lakini no umbe kuthiro gitwira ntuko naro kinye batu tukaigo na tukamenya ukiuro no barere ko ba welcome uragwa bena mpara. How was that story?
You know the thing bona akire those are nonsense. Niyo ana tie muntu kinyombe ta Seneta Tharaka. Bambeta gataya. Tie muntu kinyombe ta mheshimiwa kwa Tharaka. Bambeta gataya. No, I'm always available to everybody. No kwera worono.
Yes.
That issue ya utika kura ntu baye Seneta kwa tuka bena mpara de wata you know mete na iriobe koromba. Kuma chukuru class 1 mwanka all the way mwanka form 6 mwanka university ndomete nkyothagirwa literally antu bagathera na bakambodera tiki befte komi wota munga ni chukuru You know, some students came from Seikuru. Seikuru. So Senator Wagetui, welcome the students. It is being told we sit just directly opposite. Jokingly, Enoch, Wambua, these are my neighbors. While they care, make sure that we get them something to eat. And it's a tradition in the Senate. When your school comes, Shuliago Senate, once you make some introduction, you invite them, then you seek permission from the speaker, and these things are there. Now, that was the story. So, you cannot say that our people need some bread and all these things. They are not hungry. So, I think somebody got it from some institution. You know, but I don't bother using those kind of biashara ndogo hiyo.
Yes.
So utie mtu akwera ni ono tukanga kwa been around for very many years. Utie mtu akwera katanda rau kana ntikinyera kataya anabachuku ntinda nako anabada seneti biyo onke babanga and all these things. So it was not even about Tharaka County. Mtu akwera uno akwera chukuliko ni shule gani? Nani huyo ni shule gani? Mwalimu gani? So it was a story about Seikuru. Na antika kede atu waragi na imbadwe anakinya Wambua. Akuwa naongea kwa ubaya. Yato cheda kasene. You know, when we stay together, lazima Wambua na hiyo those kind of jokes. Yes. Na ya ajire, you know, I'm doing very well down here. So my competitors, wanamu jamaa metupita, they must now bring a lot of small issues. Lakini sasa utawanyorosha tu.
Siku ikifika kwena kariba mubethirite bakiuga as a senator uteku equalize kana utingananagia the three constituency that you have bakwa no concentrate muno na Tharaka ukorirwo ni Mara na Chuka.
Wani kazi ya senator ni gani? Kazi ya senator zilikuleta pesa? Yes. Mimi sina biashara nyingine equalize in terms of what?
Better.
How many governors we have? We don't have a governor for Chuka Mangombe. I'm a governor of Mara, governor of Tharaka. Governor no more.
Yes.
And when I for example, this year, 2024, 2026, I have given in Governor of Mudomi 800 million.
800
million. Revenue. 800 million, you remember, governor. Just you can even get, just look at the records. I know you can go.
Yes.
Yes.
So
that money is spent for Chuka Mangombe, Chuka for Mara. That is my effort. You know, base ya Tharaka, Chuka Mangombe na Mara. What other business? Unless mtu ambere gataenda udire murando wa kotira ndokara.
No, anko uriki uri mheshimiwa wanekanira mbeche iki ngavana. Who plans for the money?
It is the county.
Okay, it's the county.
It's not about me. You know, biashara ya senator number one to make sure kwamba you devolve money to counties. Hakuna biashara nyingine. The other one is oversight.
Okay.
We don't participate in the budget process making. Sisi si watu ya budget.
Very soon.
Make sure kwamba umetengeneza sheria zote. Duarua ni tulikuwa tunapitisha inaitangwa formula ya kupeleka pesa mashinani. Na tumepitisha juzi. I think that was a thing on Thursday. Unaelewa? So, I'm not equalizing. What am I supposed to do in Chuka? Sina CDF, tuantiko nengana na Chuka better. Yeah, I'm always there. Napitanga hapo na mashabiki wangu, napitanga Mara na mashabiki wangu. They always come here. Yeah. So, tutiena ngaba na wadatu Tharaka Nithi County ngaba na no nekagera mbia. So hiyo pesa mtu akiona kazi inafanyika Chuka ya county, ajue senator ako pale. Hiyo nimeleta pesa. Kazi ya ruteka uko ile ruteka Mara. Muntu Mara giri kuona hiyo senator meleta nini? Pesa hiyo ni kazi yangu. Yes. Kwa mjoka tikinya Nairobi uchoambia. Akaraka dhona. Na muletea pesa hapo nafanyia watu kazi. Yes. That's my job.
And I think even the kuante bakonda civic education nonto menyanya becha anto baba inge sana barape mashinani nyaba kona becha gitango ke bate menyani nani alileta hiyo pesa.
Exactly.
So I think that's why the bakuwa utobanganania. And I guess now kiorike yoko chokwa. Mheshimiwa nombe kuthoro gitura kwa upana nonto na nuko ndagitikia MP. Na nuthiri MCA. Ingogire kuchiongwa as a senator iraomba kuwa nuthithirite mukario Tharaka Nithi County na ira ciumba utuma bakwa kinyi giti kiu kingi ukwenda kia MP at least no tuthai mtu anjanjo na what you have done no wizo kabura indivuririte kitaki nimefanya hii
ngandika mantu mando thete Tharaka Nithi twanga tukandika mongarukiri
no in short
I have done so many things
ile tangible
I have done so many things very much Tharaka Nithi County ndamethera in almost like 4.3 billion na ino almost like 5.3 so tumeongezea pesa Tharaka Nithi County nakuelewa that is my constitutional mandate as a senator kuongera county bia through so many other formulas nakuelewa so as a senator I've done so many things through my initiative ya kwani uni as a person don't think of course ngweri senator tika kile otaiji senator tika ina na becha ntina basare ntina bia che barabara ntina anything lakini 10% ya kwana ntupa kwa ntupa kwa santi baraka bachuka and all these things I think I've done so many things zile nimefanya na ukimenya kwamba Bomet MC wa Mukodhima when I was an MC it was an excellent ward I did so many things ndakire masibitali ndakama footbridge ndaka so many things then the senator have been all over ngaka machukuru I've done very many chukuru yamba ngotethia ma secondary schools yeah big mono primary schools ukaelewa yeah I think I've done so many things yes
that you feel now kinyoke biragitine kiwa at least unapokumiria
exactly yes
okay ikwithiritwe kuna miarito nete ugichoke mushimiwa yengi corruption igitarira kweri MPs ibethiritwe by corrupt sana bakienda kurukirwa anything kana
MPs sio senators
MPs yes
sasa mimi nitajua mambo ya MPs kweli si senator how can we be corrupt senators na hatuna pesa unajua mtu anakuanga corrupt kama umepewa pesa ya fulani
umepewa pesa lakini kwenera wezi okero tufanyie tu for example ya mantu impeachment you are involved right so nije kerwa tumekupatia hii utufanyie hivi kana motion juju wetu juite 1 2 3 is it true
ndio nakuuliza atia ngoria mimi as a senator can I determine the impeachment of anybody no for example Gachagua now
yes
Gachagua naongelea
yeah
can I determine Gachagua whether is supposed to be impeached or not
no you can
no you know
but inakujanga kwetu
but of course umantu mare beyond senator nundu you know kitambo maneno wa Gachagua amulirisi amwera njo senate na arao to impeach and all these things imantu mare beyond senators na ntikulirikana kana kwe mtu even a single senator nundu Gachagua aretire na mastaka almost like 12 mara what out of 12 matani mamwatire the other charges were could not be verified so and we impeached him nantona mtu kichoko nankero kinya tenbo unless somebody akwira kana nankere katagi to or any other senator for that matter I don't remember seeing any senator receiving a coin to impeach Gachagua yes
okay haya ibaka sana mutegeri wa Meru TV tanambere kuthirokera na batu ruterero wa Facebook ugatwaza Kimeru TV Kenya ruterero YouTube ugatwaza Meru TV Kenya na kinyango live Africa ugomba kuthirokera Kimeru TV Kenya wenda kuthirokera na SMS yeku namba ni 0748918991 idene screen yeku ntumira SMS kwa kiurio kwenda kuthirokera mheshimiwa kana comment kana opinion tafadhali umba kuthirokera opinion yeku na keta nambere kuthirwa nkimegwata ukethirwa bakambitikiri kanitumbe kuthatukijuka break kidogo tu nikienda tugichokera tumba kuthira tukiwata SMS na bando tugita na mbere kuthira tukitegera mheshimiwa na ndini kina onto akwenda gitiki kia MP na ni gap iriku pengine onete na nakwenda kuthira akifeel that gap au mbakithira agitweresera mantu jajonde kwa hivyo tukomba kuthira tukijukia ka break kidogo tu then tuchokera tukawata SMS tienu rutero Facebook rutererwa SMS na pia mheshimiwa agitwira nimbiyo yongwa kana mipango eke yongwa niriku nantu Tharaka Nithi County kana Tharaka igitarira kajukia igitiki kia MP
nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ya kuimba nyumba yaku na style kwenda Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aje ni ondobu waku nitwendagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya mwanya na rangi mwanya mwanya. Kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey ni rangi mbingi rowisi. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges, tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bya nyumba yeku.
Nkoroki netukamataira ateja betu mabati mwanka mochi. Duralong turi Isiolo barabareni ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongere bichine chieto kana turingere thimo kukurukira 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited. Tested, approved and trusted. Dedea turataukirwa ni umwe wa endo betu netujuragwa ni kithiki kuringika kunene hamwe na nkoji cia nkoro gwitikira wendibu mwathani Murungu. Hamwe na bo nitwambairia kuibanga kubate aria muthia na rugendo ndwambairia ja Cool Breeze Funeral Home ijineo Mogenjeru Burumeru iria iri mwikano jo barabara Kirachene kilomita 3 wake kuma Meru National Polytechnic barabareni ya kuerekera na Nyuki. Cool Breeze Funeral Home nitujanaga utungata tabo gweka meri na kugeta postmortem na mareijetu ni jakuguna mukojo waku. Turi na gontogo kunene na kotheru gwa gweka meri gari cha gukamata meri na kinyama thandoko nituboraidia na kumeria baria bataukirini endo bao na njira ya kubaridia mbere ya tutirothora na kirombero gietu. Turi na parking ya kongana, restaurant na minimart aria ateja betu baurukaga beterete gutungatirwa. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongera bichine chieto Kirachene Meru kana turingire thimo gukurukira namba iji 0798 715 653. Ubichi chieto irugoragwa mathaa 24. Cool Breeze Funeral Home, for services you can trust. Ni mwana Mutharaka Seneta Mwandagataya na rietwa ringi Mofaya ambiririe ubichine cia kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi na gukumbatiria Mutharaka kibarene kiawe na miangata yo iri ngugi ciawe ikioneka mwankaga gita turi nyuma eguchioka twa utwirita MCA o Mukothima Mofaya araitia ngathi otongeria mwanka nyumba ya Ugambia Senate kugambira Kenya ngima. Mugambi gachiaragwa na Mutharaka na gambite mugambi wao Mofaya niwe gachoka kubagambira na kubakurotongerie ne buthuki gichigo mbunge kia Tharaka. Ni Jumapili eje imwe kwa imwe na Seneta Mwandagataya miangatene njeri wa cheupe kumamoka wene Jordan Palace Marimanti gatugambire Mutharaka turi amwe ugakurukirwa.
Yes, odi Anto Meru County, Tharaka Nithi County, Isiolo County, na Kinyambu County, ntorerio cionthe ciithire kiretie ituri bionthe bianthe bira bimagaruo nkuja na ntato siri na murio tamatanta jamasono jagi empeke uki atia we ukwenda kwethira wina mantu ukwenda kumenyithia antu nukwenda track kana ngare arudishu aja ni oturi nini Nini wewe areria antora ndongo na ndongo anto bakwigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwo kwenda kugire skuru yaku gwo kwenda kuthia road show kana kiabo kira kionthe kwenda sauti yenene ne atiri aja tuli na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara kuguna muko jo waku na kinyawenda tukwajania mona mugi kana na MC sound irere aja nire tionekete kaire kuma nthiguru rombo kuma gitara baroti ko ye gitara banumo ngagucoka kwa Jesu runguru eria iguru na matuna kinyamanga nyoni na nthenjo mo gutoneka engeta eje Limo namba 0725 170 744 uthirogisi gwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawe na kiatho aunja ni oturito ra kwe nagwe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane
You can read about it in the Daily Express.
Muga thaicho rorijo rukinyite becho kuthingithuka na rutura kanuni Gembe South County ya Meru jo ni mwiriga jua 10 jua Meru yaijikene ta mugongo jua ikara uria wari na ari 10 ende umwe Meru baramutatira
pokuwa ni tumaraya tukiyao no tukuma Kariobangi kwe yani antugatagarya kutu tumba ko yantukwe mwana twana itu yatukathie nya kiumia kana ntikoyire itha twende turejere rukire na mbua tukoma kunjuma mosi
Nandi ni Mount Sinai gwatanira na murithi wa ba kwambiriria Jumatano ije mwanka Juma thaa 1:30 cia ugoro na thaa 3 cia utuko kirirugono rwa mwanya mbara muthaicho
Babe, free bet is calling.
Yes, your free bet is calling at odibets.com.
Nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ya kuimba nyumba yaku na style iria kwenda. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aje ni ondobu waku. Nitwendagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya mwanya na rangi mwanya mwanya. Kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey ni ringi mbingi rowisi. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges, tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bia nyumba yeku.
Mkoroki netukamataira ateja betu mabati mwanka mochi. Duralong turi Isiolo barabarani ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongere bichine chieto kana turingire thimo kukurukira 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited. Tested, approved and trusted.
Strikes. Oh no, he's missed! Oh no,
It's cashback, guys.
Lose one game on your multi-bet and get cashback on ODBets.
Dedea turataukirwo ni umwe wa endo betu nitujuragwo ni kithiki kuringika kunene hamwe na nkoji cia nkoro gwitikira wendibo mwathani Murungu. Hamwe na bo nitwambairia kuibanga kubate aria muthia na rugendo ndwambairia ja Cool Breeze Funeral Home. Iji nio Mwogenjeru Meru iria iri mwikano jo barabara Kirachene kilomita 3 wake kuma Meru National Polytechnic barabareni ya kwerekera Nanyuki. Cool Breeze Funeral Home nitujanaga utungata tabo gweka meri na kugeta postmortem na mareijetu ni jakuguna mukojo waku turi na gonto gukunene na kotheru gwa gweka meri ngari cha gukamata meri na kinyama thandoko nituboraidia na kumeria baria bataukirini endo bao na njira ya kubariria mbere ya tutirothora na kirombero gietu turi na parking ya kongana restaurant na minimart aria ateja betu baurukaga beterete gutungatirwa kumenya manto nkoroki turiongera ubichine chieto Kirachene Meru kana toringire thimo gukurokera namba iji 0798 715 653 ubichi chieto irugoragwa mathaa 24 Cool Breeze Funeral Home, for services you can trust.
Good evening, karibu sana. This is Tatua Bonanza Live. Popote ambapo ulipo wanasema big thank you to you kwa kuchagua Tatua Bonanza Live. Unajua unajiuliza kwa nini na kanyaga hii. Hii leo ni guaranteed lazima iende. So be our winner today. Talking about winners, just to remind you kwamba watu wanaendelea kushinda siku ya leo. You can be one of them. Watu zaidi ya 8,100 wameshinda. Be one of them. Kumbuka usiku wa leo nahitaji watu 10 kila mmoja naenda nyumbani na shopping voucher ya shilingi 10,000 kila mmoja. Haijaishia hapo. Vile vile pia kuna hii guaranteed generator ambayo lazima iende, na usisahau draw inapigwa baada ya kila nusu saa. Be one of them. All right?
Bless you in our ministry.
Kuambia asante kwa hizi zawadi leo na kwa zimetoka, Mungu atakupisha zingine na nimekaribisha tena. Asante.
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. This message has been approved by the BCLB.
Muga thaicho rorijo rukinyite becho kuthingithuka na rutura kanuni Gembe South County ya Meru. Jo ni mwiriga jua 10 jua Meru. Meru ejikene ta mugongo jua ikara uria wari na ari 10 ende umwe Meru baramutatira theongi ni muthaicho amwe na gutatirwa kwawe uthongi bwawe ni butumaga kagitageni batikiatho kirima kia nyongo arene aurukire ni gichitho kia Kristo riria barabatara kwaraniria na kinikiro.
gituelezera kidogo ni na wamba boda bwithiri tuburi na ni natabo kuthithia nikenda gutigira at least anto interview bite kwijo
wamba boda ni laxity ya police number 2 anti bathongere network ya especially anabeto kwena mubango leo wa ukoba bigibiki ngwete marambiko maingi muno maana kwa bikibiki membi bikibiki ya ngiri one website lakini bikibiki na ngiri magana matatu mwisho maana kale bikibiki ya kinyangiri magana matatu atunyo inda to kombe nchiwete bingi muno across arakaniri mzima na kwenda kinyawa ngo bikibiki ya pago bantu kamatwa no I think kwenda katel
okay
na iwe ya polisi I think I have been able to maintain a DCI, maintain an OCS, both Tarakanini County. Na himo bango polisi yake make sure kwamba wakodiria na of course you know anabawa tu kwa ndio kiki ni maachora na anabaena vile mingi bwana. Ndio ndio kwa kiki kalea wakinye karibu kulekia kakamatwa. Tina ya gwa choka wara koroso but as a security agent wa ile too much alert make sure kwamba kuna security. Yes.
Okay. Kwina mantu jangi ream yegi mantu ya urageti. Urageti kinyane kurikana inethiretwe kireta siasa kidogo na kwateka kwina ntu batetikaniragia na mubango juju ethene kwithirwa jario nombe kwithirwa gitwelezera sa senator kithirwa ni gitwe mantu ja urageti.
Urageti ni onda mbere urageti. Human Rights Urangeti, I think 2014. Actually, set up Urangeti yo mte wanaambecha rupisho na kila kitu kionda 2013 onda ambile Urangeti. Ukimenya kwamba Urangeti ile mkothi mawodi ya RMC for 2 terms. Maro ni Urangeti majira kukira MCA wa mkothi makagitagaku. Mukuru wetu wa Kathanya wa Baobab. Na mwale weta wa Irene tayo bwana CEO wa tourism ya riu atari kuthogera county na toni goya muno kwa twina gintwire getu na 2014 igifanda wa 2015 2016 na it is very unfortunate urangeti ni achoke ya twika outfit ya siasa no wantu baya kuthimandira inya uwe na sauti kurukironge no gakombra na hivi no cha kuganira I remember incident ya last year kana no ya yegoro yacho. You can imagine Senator Tarakanini yonde mwanzilisho Urangeti. Yani some hooligans tutuma tukanga na agu tukanga tukaduka urerana marwa ana very innocent twana duni inkili ukaurura jobi ate Senator ke bongra un kare na maiga kare ko yari ngura maiga ya kukangeyichi na utie mwana kinyenda watithia I only remember the report then nkimenya kana kangania kare kai kangania ndina askari kinyankareria na utie kinyaskari wako kinyalinga risasi kana uraga mtu onto bolindo ni bolo onto very primitive onto very awkward ni bolo onto bo sheze sana Senator Tarakanini intora muji onto basi siasa tu tia pesa nane ando badiba kaederana bakaluma korubia tuana magana mairi bakaringa seta ya actually ndatumira karibu ngiri magana mana udonde kakare ondo karo yagiro yagiro mobile screen ndo basi yaza tu nango kinya kirinde kionde actually buino ndakamatire kirinde karibu kirinde kionde all the same so I think those people were very ashamed begiro bena ndoni mono ndo ndakinyire ngukinya ntu bandakana bwa kando na ndiye ndakacha kwa miamba revenge ana bobo nimba ye mwangabde tuli hakuna mtoto sijui na utie mwana kinyanda era bora chini mugwate na ndo ndoni no manya bataye nabu wana kinya sponsors banda tunucha cyo kuri mwankare yako kuri mwankare kiwantaye na utie mtu kinyanda ule tonda wenda barakera na utie mu ndeze nawe so I think Urangeti neti utumiro naye Ntoira jere moja actually wana kinya this ya mwisho hii ya juzi wanataka kinya no yes I opted not to go and then that we of course as much as tuna gintura ya tuna itokana na what have you no na adongire siasa tia ndoa yara oyo be and all these things so I decided not to go mwanka ndio kwa tuna structure tia Urangeti mbega yes
okay kuna manto jegie Kiribiuri Bianto, wacha nisome, nisikae kama nasema maneno yangu. Kuna mantu jegie kwaria kiri mbunge mheshimiwa, kwina ntu kana kariba Tharaka wagu feel that au waongeleshi sana kana awakuoni mara mingi ukiongea sana kwa mbunge.
Mbunge ndio mbua rating yako ya mbunge ni namba karibu 5. Yes. No mtu atandikagiria mitandao. Mbunge mbua ni number 5 in the country. Ndio jakwaje. Kiumia geke wangono wankonenkere this week alone. Keke athirire gecho. I have had about 5 statements. 5 statements. Yes. Number mbunge mbua ni number 5 gekwaria. Inaandikia mkozi badia bagia social media na huko katati ya mbunge ngazimo fa tiara mbunge na wata view ino bua rating e kana ndo je propaganda ino je siasa cha tora ndo muntu yuwa katati ya mbunge yuwa dia mwekura kwera ntura na ara tiara mbunge ino peke yake ino rating ya senate ino bua I think ndikuroga number 5 ino as we talk kiumia ke peke yake ino ankurugurde ya dia very many statements and they say very many of them yeah including mantumanda vacation. Yeah, I've had very many statements, including my JSS, including so many things. So I'm very vocal in the Senate.
Okay. No. Good evening, Cheupe.
Lakini of course mtura au kumenda kana roho kubinga kana hata kwenda kutika kuonekana tu mwangae kile propaganda. Yes.
Kwa according to you propaganda ndio okay but
hii propaganda hiyo ni propaganda ya ushenzi.
Okay. Kuna mtokombira good morning Cheupe kambira salimia senator Gataya is doing well especially in building schools through his personal money. Atimbiri territory yake lakini tafadhali mbandikira SMS sio kaambira territory yako nikienda at least tumba kumenya wewe. Kuna mtu wetu wa Dr. Kasuba mchapakazi mashinani alimbira mheshimiwa you did a lot of good work in Mukodhima ward. Leo kila mtu analia ulienda wapi? Ulijenga footbridge, barabara na shule. What happened now na Mukodhima kuna MCA na pia kuna majority leader.
Mukodhima Kasuba buyimbo choroko muno actually Kasuba ni mwana munini rokuweria kutethia kubareta network alicha utuka Kasuba na kulingana vumbi gitu na kolomba giteke MCO Mukodhima and I wish him well. Ila tubira bya konda atigie Mukodhima byagire muntu wikira.
Okay.
Byagire completely. Ndekagira namba kenda. Mimi mtura thurwa na namba 3. So girati kiaremire. Actually Mukodhima kuma kwita kwa kinya kioro. Kinya kioro tu kinya public for the last 3 years. Mukodhima ule ta kwa kinya kioro ta kwa kinya kiraziga isindi. Itawa etie kinya wananti barigani kai kwa ina barabara cha Moramu ndeka gete Moramu kila mahali. Ndaga footbridge, ndaga secondary schools, nyunda kire Kirundi, ndaga Kabuabua. I did several footbridges. Ndaga kinya Toro dispensary, ndaga Joguni, ndaga Karambani, ndaga Kirundi, ndaga Mukodhima, ndaga Kiranta Mukodhima Thoko, ndaga Kiranta TV ni kinya wewa. Eta kinya standard yenda ndaga situ kudia dite. I did so many things in Mukodhima. Lakini kuma Mukodhima daino ngani majani Mukodhima for the last 10 years timu tukinya wachu kumankari. Lakini daino ndan tukuraga antu bata bakwa mamenyi. So Mukodhima ni aurire anyway. Ni ka kuina MCA Mukodhima. So I hope 2027 ni bakaona muntu kubatethia aba nenkere nafasi ya kuigwa bena mtu rakomba kubokia anda batigire. Kuina daino Mukodhima.
Okay. Yes. Kuna mtu wetu wa Elias Mutembei akawa can buy Senator Mwenda Gataya's idea in terms of development. He is really supporting education which is very good. Mtu wetu wa Kirera Josephat akawa Senator Mwenda Gataya more fire tunakupenda sana kiongozi wa maendeleo. Queen Alex akawa very sober and development oriented. Jeru Alex I agree with Gataya is smart and responds smartly. Kuna mtu wetu Agnes Kawira kawa Senator Mofaya all the way. David Dagara compare number 3 and 8. Ingote kiu ni comment ya mantuja wogo mantuja kirato number 9. Kuna mtu wetu Mose Njagi arua very wrong for Tharaka Nithi Senator acknowledging divisive politics in tribal basis. It should be the first to encourage unity of the nation.
Natakuwa itakuwa kweli. You know mia ekora spin cha Kenya linga na Kabila. Jaru linga kera Raila. Yes, utukora Raila achagwe ndio waita Kikuyu tu Kikuyu tora au angambia. So mwambie sasa huyo anasema namna hiyo we are trying our best, lakini of course we are structured that way. We Kenya lo deto. Baringa kule cha kabila Jaluo, Ngabi, Baluya and all these things. Right? So I think that's the format. Wakati wa hitu iko pole pole tudhirie katika kabila tudhirie madhuma ngamonde tukachuba ndigoro as a nation. Wacho wa muntu kuona ta muntu mulwanyo kwa. Maybe that one will come. Lakini for now antu baringa kula through those arrangements.
Okay. Kuna mtu gwitwo Naman Mwega ari mbere nkurie ina kwina mbeca cia empowerment itaira accounted for ina chietire
chiarago. Empowerment is across the country. Sijui ni wapi anauliza.
Okay. Na tuthikirite by the way no SMS so atume atuambie ni wapi.
Mwambie ni ya wapi empowerment iko ya wapi.
Atume atuambie ni wapi.
Has been with us for the last 6 months. Chia Kindiki, chia Ruto, chia Gataya, chia Bau. Yes, sijui ni ngapi anasema. Mwambie aweke Kiswahili yake mzuri.
Sawa sawa. Mtugwitwo Naman ngwitikio kuibwa tafadhali tuchokere kiuri kiwu twire ni empowerment kana imbete cia empowerment rutere rwiko ukwariria kwina mtugwitwo Martin Mutegi arua but this man is very knowledgeable. Mtugwitwo Eneri Kanyaru akawa more fire hapo tuko pamoja. Thank you so much. Then kwina mtukumbira twirire mheshimiwa nariti ngweke kana uraumbite kuthiro kirita ngweku nontu ituonete kwina ratings irario mheshimiwa kwina ratings
those are quirks ila mwantu wati tantu badia ba formulate daina kwere cheupe wachwa broga cia daini ba kurothera rating gwegwa kira tangazaji bamberu TV aba gwekire kinya last
okay
wati broga badia ba karande gurungura muti akagwa Gataya ngania Gataya number 67 you know,
yeah,
those are hiyo ni mambo ya those are quirks.
So according to you it's not legit.
Rating yako in the Senate mtikinya namba komi
we rated wengo
yeah of course my rating no kila mtu nebiji mia utiba ndo ndari gain life ndo ndajariro yes tikirasi tiwira chako kijana chongo personal tiwira chako yenda rutana mbuko mandi MCA tiwira cha Senate utimuthiire kinya wakwa timwikire kinya gukara timwaririe onanguo yo ndari yo tiwatandi in my life muntu akwira tayari ye mwambia na kudanganya yes yo tie ndunu makoligira kwa maisha mako.
Okay. Kuna mtu wetu Kanyau Martin arua senator is the best in Tharaka. Keep up mheshimiwa. You also build Mwanyi school gate in Konde. Salimia mheshimiwa Mwanyani school gate in Konde. Salimia mheshimiwa sana. Mtu wetu Mutugi akawa mofaya second to none. Tharaka is safe with Gataya big mind. Thank you so much. Good evening Cheupe watching. Salimia Honorable Senator Gataya is doing well especially in building schools. Thank you. Mtu wetu Kelvin arua mofaya the one who can make Tharaka constituency great. We appreciate you sir. Okay, thank you so much. Ita nambere kuthiro gituma SMS chiaku rutero Facebook rutero SMS ngeta nambere kuthiro nkigwata. Okay, akuthira kuna mtu ina kiuria pengine kiri barato inabo ukwenda kuuria kiuria ini no ambire kethira kuna mtu kwenda kuuria kiuria tafadhali kana comment kana opinion kuna mtu okay
Marieto Peterson Gitonga
songa hapa
I study here okay Marieto Peterson Gitonga wa Karega from Mukodhima kwenda kuuria mheshimiwa bwana Gataya nondu he is our senator in Tharaka Nithi County na Tharaka kana Mukodhima especially ni wakulima, everybody is mkulima, hata yeye ni mkulima, Takaa Soba ni mkulima, mwalimu ni mkulima, kila mtu ni mkulima. Na agriculture itwira wale watu wathoma nya primary school twira is the backbone. Na itukwirwa agriculture ni atwikire devolved. When you go to Meru County ukethira bena society kana SACCOS ciarimi. In fact ukethira mayani iria na kaoa na wathi western ukethira bena biogwa na ndia tukona mantu amu na tio Tharaka ria twanenkerwa giti twerwa tukwethiwa nya deputy president wa tuiki kuma Tharaka na senator noenwa kuma Tharaka na bondi ba mukothima na mukothima mwijike ni potential in agriculture ndienda kumenya na tabambite kurutha kenda na tio tufiru bura kuko ngitukuigwa bakiruthirwa no in fact president na kuya mero ukamuigwa kuthi kweria akathia gatiga 100 million akathi na ara nzoia sugar akathia kabatigira mbeca bakero bakuriro marandu amu ndioria na tatigo tukwenda kuruthirwa kana na tababangite guturuthira turi arimi ba Tharaka kana ba mukothima na tio tuingwa president aya agatuikira kanyamu tukaria marandu tamu no tutendi kuigwa gakira wodi yena sako mukothima yena igwitwa mukothima Port Green sako na kuko ngimbugirio inkuria na ata bomba kurutha na tio baga ukiria arimi gwatuika na tio tugufiru tabauga.
Okay. Thank you so much. Mwingine? Kuna mwingine?
Bwega sinitagataya tukuga maoni maku mara ngoyo tawisiniti amenye tikundi kuigwa na tukumuona itwene mana kwa MCA niombe tupita kira umarigo chale to kama nyakia wetu akamuthanga na kamurika nimbu ile tande kwa mochari itwara yago mamburi kaura so ndenda kwenda kutiga mbo kuuria ikuma kwendera muno toguo uyonge auria so itukuithigira kuona gwetu nenkerana tumirandi twingi toto support na adu pindi ya Tharaka muno muno especially Meru ikumanya mura na kaua Tharaka twina yendo yota ndengu kana muhere kana mpempe na into ta wathina kama yakibatu mandara pena into ba kama tonga yakara tukolomba kinya kiwese nitepera umana olatiga kuona kana kwaro into kingi ndigo kero no kulomba kitike MP itugu support 100%. Tukulomba kia jamaa isimo kutoje tuna tena inyingi mwasa mashukuru metwana beringoni bicha nende bakuma ya madukutoni wombo tunengia kuru wombo tunengia kanyao support okongera wananchi wati nyuma nara wati kama yekini wati banderengi ndine tumba uchinga atia tuna ataya kwa MP nuntu dine no mwetro mite nemdo tigwe kumantagani atwe no tongera stili utonga boto kwa nabu mabwenu uyo kibura siniti na abo kuba siniti leko menda mite anabu atu kwamba kuona abali bade mite ni bakwenda witata witaite takira na wede niro twakone kyali tukalingwa na bisa kuma malutoni kana wakatoa upingire malomo mali abo amesita.
Thank you so much. Mheshimiwa anachoki pia?
Bro gati kama mbali hivi kama kauli hiyo the last one.
Kuna mwingine? Kuna mwingine? Swali.
Mbere muno gachokerie gitonga karaga gatho cha mwanya muno wakuma mukothima kiuria kuria auria kiuria national kiuria kina a lot of sense kiuria kina itinalega muno zaidi no of course mayago timu Kenya wa western kutina mukenya wa imenti kutina mukenya wa mukothima twi ndetwa ilikuwa tukina tuwicho na kadina kathirikari Mutharaka oyo mukothima kana Tharaka na kuria tiriri mbino yoyo ngatumba kuigwa tuwetethekania gukurukira agriculture no to agriculture nio utuika kaiko kagina ka economy muntu obio wana kuona mbecha za Trans Nzoia Mumias Semiri and all these things muntu oimenti nara ina factory ya kaua laino tu ina miwango menene mono ya kaua muntu chuka the same mayani the same Mutharaka oyo imbia kuona ile agriculture na tamurimi omba gukirika mbere muno ndenda gukuira antu no twari na ndiru nene muno imbaga muno ya ndengu era ya leta 20 senator wa Kitui ya seneti ya support muno to choka tomira assembly leo ni assembly ya burwa ya lingwa ya byura nontu munde Mutharaka ora wiyike na Mutharaka into kira tumba goita cash kure Mutharaka munde no ndengu nontu ndengu yichanda wa cross the boat Jumbo kui mpempe no mpempe tienda wa sampat na marimanti utienda wa mpempe mpempe tienda wa tutakalanga chini tienda wa tutakamanyaki dengo no yana wa mukode meka ndo marimanti kando kalanga chini wetu Tharaka mzima and we end a very beautiful bed ya dengo biro ya die kro siasa no ndo support banga siasa wino chetu tutio chenzi chaku cia personal cia new atentro de tegendo mtu karola kutikiega yekro siasa kabisa yaura yeya wale miero o atemuri mitoko ya wanu milioni kenda dengo anga muri mitoko da ngakero na so edinki yekro siasa yaura non to kutire bantu anga tutigerie munde ule muri Mudaraka munde gitoko bakodere Mudaraka bantu ari gitoko bakodere Mudaraka ni cash crop ya dengo especially Tharaka constituency na ndi ari uni ndi tsero Tharaka ninke menya kwa ndi na rivu mayani chai ndi na rivu kwa kawa ndi na rivu kinyaba area ya papat daina dirikali ye na mubango mono wa ku kwire SACCOS na tuina program mono very soon ndiro ya nego bano ndi yete tuina public participation to alimi maoni across the board Tharaka mzima no ndatiro to gocherera gaita kara ya muno karibu miaka chibite to tie SACCO to tie bio ino dengo o akada ndego mundu market price chiringi 40 kaulo wo makati no tuwe na thina so tukone watu na mubango mono wa SACCO ora murimi akauga kwamba ngwira ndengo cha kwa SACCO na SACCO neka determine prices ira kauma wango umandukai na huku mkunda. So I think we must have a dispensation as leadership to make sure kwamba wana Mudaraka tukumonenka na test tukumonenka na nafasi ya kutoka na kamera yao kanera na kamera yako na kwa tumbo ukinyandegoro kana mubango tumbo ukinyandegoro utayana sheria so sheria una tukumondeka kitaongana baba angebo ndema dikitia to make sure kwamba muntu yo kwa ndengo autaka tamule mkawa tamule mayani tamule mweria so atu batuke patient kidogo na tuli rinda chituru tongoria ndaino metu ina tongori wa mudema mudema tu na kinyande tu present tu na tongori baba ngebonde na ingwetige Tharaka gode wa mbike sema ge no monga tumekishwa kwamba tuukire Mudaraka na wakati tamu Kenya Europe.
Thank you. Kuna swali
wengi yule ndio ndio machukuru muntu ndakere kama yakiri kwa wale hata ni hodi anda actually lembo yumbe ngomara chukuru binga mwana monga tu ambeli machukuru watu ina mabino Tharaka tu machukuru uwa pogamba kitega muyumbe pogakana monega taya no mungapuro ya machukuru so monda machukuru mega mono mama wako kura konge ntin bange na constituency no mungapo nengera sima la machukuru turanda no tutoka beje na kidoma tukubete na kila kitu no ntimundi cash program Tharaka ikidoma Tharaka constituency mundi ti national school ukie chukuru kinyo muri mundo kumanja no gato kuwa chukuru cha tukombe tukuwa chuka Mbero school Ankobo na Chagolia boys Chagolia girls so ituko na kwa tuna machukuru tamamu Tharaka no ya tutu ndo munde ukenda mwana wa gomera chukuru ndo na mwana kauli ngarama katika gomera bongi kana to kweli ndo so basically no monga wetu na mubango munene muno wa community tumekishwa kwamba tukuleta services ile chigo tutako ndo chileta wetu Tharaka tukiomba kuigwa miaka 60 down the line 60 years ati mwana wake wata no mongo mwile Chagolia boys ake wata no mongo mwile Kangaru ake wata no mongo mwile Middle school ake wata no mongo mwile Nkobo tukone watu na Nkobo yetu Tharaka constituency tukone watu na Chagolia boys Tharaka constituency tukone watu na Kangaru Tharaka constituency na unity ukieto ya kuwa ngatamalani there is no shortcut about it ukindo cha kuwa ngomba kuwa ngabutigwa that is exactly what is going to happen ni tukona to the local schools free primary schools locals chukuru mbaga yena mubango mbake chukuru na royi chukuru alimo bena dignity chukuru na ana bena sima chukuru na biora sasa biana to dia chukuru keda dega ana bena dinya joro kitakai na unto irasi no mianga sikiza na rolo tule wadani ni sakani so ngo na unko katika muyu which is very true imbe ngateji kiri nkure da sere tingo ya bada kutege Mudaraka nonto mudwanyo ko kinyamo kadino aga koru ngo chokera tungo ya chokera mo Tharaka na gutie ati kunengera gatage ndike muyumbe ngabonekera simarale kwa especially kima chukuru kaka kima infrastructure room angemonda ukathike gwi chakariani yaurire ne ganja anatumia kakula ndugatura ke one of the very big institutions cha easy cha royo ukajiona ne ganja tie fandike tie bete ni yaurire. So I think I will not let you down.
Thank you. Kuna mtu ukuria, what steps will the Senate take to ensure that the police vehicles are not fueled by the common mwananchi? Arori atiri urona nitagarire kuomba kuthorokejukia sa senator kubatetheria kuona ngari cia polisi itegwikirwo maguta ni wananchi wa kawaida.
Inu ngara muno number 1 ikiuria ngauria murukomen. Uraka thikia thari na thikirie I think we after to initiate mashinani I think next week with the cause of this October. Senate siasa batira mazapia before Senate ali na tunubwa ya gana ntukuchibu kumbeka na nenda gutangasira mwananchi wa Kenya arari munde especially wa Tharaka-Nithi muntu raka police station etumbie chawekera nkali maguta na ringe namba yakwa very clear 0721717171 ni wanti uketera tu mitandaoni namba ndekere message ambira kuri report marimanti kana gatunga kana mtumu kana chuka kana ko ena case nende atera aeronekro ngara baguta polisi yedete mkomi.
So unfortunate. Good evening, Meru TV. This is Top Kid. Senator Mwera Gataya is the most performing leader in the Tharaka-Nithi. We would be so happy if we take over the seat of Member of Parliament in the Tharaka constituency since he is a performer. Twire ni mbi ukaruthira antu batharaka mantu jegi ruji.
Mbera number 1 ruji devote lakini yori Sofia kambara number 1. Ukewa ndina initiative yakwa yoyongwa inkwenda kwenye rantu water parts especially the river parts marawa nara marawa teruyi kibiashara bukwale antu baruwa parts cha marawa kudibo gachauni kadanga chini kudibo antwa kudibo kamwado antu bara gintu number 1 kubenjira dams cha kudibi na murandi wako ni ngwa ni mbere muno number 1 mbiranga igwega muntu napeza na paje kuiwa ndi maintu makamba pale. So antu baranga banengera na njira yakwa because royi default royi ya through na county na kwera lakini kwina miradi ya national tena tu ida kubunga kimiki water project of course kwina initiative ya serikali ya national kwina initiative ya serikali ya county lakini nimbe tegetie munde sitire mundu rondo ko sababu mtu ko tayro ni ndamo nani o wana mtu brandi yakuna ndi yago kwina royi okola kijaba ndo dakara ndo mundu tayro yo kine tu yake. So I think I'll be very clear on what very clear on what
Say right now ama when you become a
of course kinyada ino ino kwaja ro au kama tumkani tuita waka matara kwina samala institutions kwenda kubanga mantu maroji chwa chonda ali marawanda bejera very big dam ya thikali almost 15 years ago people are very excited we go na matangazo mitandaoni yeah kuiji kwenda gukora wonto tabana kuwata na konga no of course tamutawara murevi tena royo kibo kumwera no tukuma marawa koma kinyoko binyo kuri almost like 10 kilometers warwa and a very good dam denjira marawa nabi kwenda kwenye kamwado kwenda kwenye gonto weta wana kiaroni. So I think this is tiuni yakwa as a person tia kinani nambia cha mwingi kwa chowera india cha kwa kana whatever litumane tata yako.
Okay. Kuna mtu kuwa salimia Honorable Mwera Gataya Mofaya mwambie tuko na 2027 Tharaka constituency mtogwito Mutesa kuma Kirundi the location, alafu tuulizie Mofaya mambo ya kununuliwa chakula ya Benzuri.
Buda aliyankwa lito chia ndengo da ino iyo wa iyo bio ndabia Tharaka ni muntu no uyado iyo to kwa nwenga na muntu no tena sauti yako datera meoka ndi bora mburi akwera we no tuwe na school fees ndi we dina chia kuichika kare mawe ndi boka so edingi to kwa watu na sauti muri sauti muri bidu sako na sako zinatuma kuzitana ke.
Okay. Mheshimiwa narete chokara tutigirire kwina mantu jegi nukwa nukwendete KMP. Kani ukadile utwire nimbigi utuma wenda gutie tiki yaku kia senator considering senator seat no either are more powerful na withirwo gichoka kuromba giteke MP antu bakwirigira pengine uma kiseneta ko gaitaitia gwangi pengine weteke gavana pengine wete na reguru lakini onto uchoka ndi
trend ya Kenya antu bayo uma seneta ya gavana right
yes biu bireguru
lakini ndakwira tere ni ndi mtu mashinani mtu ndambire giteke MCA nimpanga gitabaraka no mwanda nganga baraka muno ndona yigandi na trend ni nkuru muno ni kwenda gutwika kwenda muntu wina kiongo very soba na muntu wina passion na muntu wina kirikiri na muntu kabisa guchiera ukwelewa na muntu kumenya dharaka bwega dharaka ta to tinda kuondia ndi kwelewa dharaka sana nkumenya miaka ya dharaka mwanga mu dharaka angite nkumenya structure ya dharaka niri kayo ndem pista we want to create a national school Tharaka no constituency no monga tunengera Tharaka dignity ya kithomo no monga tunengera Tharaka dignity ya barabara mbega no monga tunengera Tharaka dignity ya roi no monga tunengera Tharaka dignity ya urimi ukwelewa no ntumunde Tharaka mbwa it is one of the worst performing constituencies in this region ukwelewa ntu Tharaka tiroi Tharaka barabara mbega Tharaka chukuri mbega emunde turi baba yabo nde wana kinya muntu ndikiriri nambere kana kwena chukuru tu ni status ya Nkobu Tharaka no constituency kwe muntu nakwandikira mezi kwera kwena chukuru tu ni status ya Chogoria Boys kana Chogoria Ngaos kana Kangaru kana Meru School no kwera nde tu ni chio nde nde twagiri kuwa tuko mana tu nde turi atongore to kuria why 60 years down the line kuti chukuru ndo Tharaka na bongo wagire kithomo tio tu Tharaka tutura tu ndire mwana ndona twatia bamaitu batinda kuthugura mbeu tigania Tharaka tinda kwanga na gintu giake turutiro komboni bora bathiri wicho ndi kithomo tukabiti na kithomo tukubiti na nte waka chondo tiba tukinya kaire na kithomo gyo kwenda guchoka ndo batethia yoko ora ngiaka ngeti na chukuru ndaka ngeti very decent ngeti very decent mondero ya chukuru tukaka twakuruka no thorera waka chukuru chine shima tukira rimwe shima ukwelewa twake chukuru chine shima ma complex mama atuka kija constituent universities in the future ukwelewa turenda kuchinja Tharaka overall tumechinje completely ma ndenda kwashira Tharaka senator achoka mujumbe anto bakandika na miaka 300 300 years bakiwa rata ma I want to assure you 300 years 300 years ma werenga barutro kuba kauria kinya kwa tora goyo werenga Tharaka constituency yes no ndu tawira chapiara wira chapiara ngabeya unia ngabetawa ngasijui nini benda kuruta wire kuonekana no ndo ndina gintu gukyo I have that passion that drives in me ndenda gukura ntu Tharaka mutoni kabisa mbakure chwa yo ntiko nindi waka muji yeah ntiko nindi waka anything ntiko biashara nkwenda I must work for the people yes nakera yakatigera ndiguru na murungu andu ndo mbumete okyani bone na mono kuchiaro na kurerwa wetu mujo tie muntu moyo all my brothers died my sisters died my parents died ni nko the entire family ukwelewa na murungu andu zeta kuntukura ya mono zaidi I must give back to the community yes no monganchokire muongo kabisa ndenda kugeria na baba athiri ukwelewa no tuthaino withuke there day school Tharaka icho they are very expensive young kurogia some of the boarding schools my day school Tharaka chondi ko they will be free I want to assure nibandike mundi gutiende school ya Tharaka yakwa mundi ndi mujumba Tharaka katho ikarewa kinya chiringiri chiri yes
day schools
ma
we promise
and this is a promise andi bandike bantu no nto okathuka me okanekera day school no cheto kabana
Babe, free bet is calling.
Yes, your free bet is calling at odibets.com.
Wow.
That's right. Place your multi-bet on Odibet.
And strikes. Oh no, he's missed!
It's cashback, guys. Lose one game on your multi-bet and get cashback on Odibets.
Nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ija kuimba nyumba yaku na style ile kwenda. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aje ni ondobu waku. Nitwendagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya mwanya na rangi mwanya mwanya. Kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey na rangi mbingi ro ici. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges, tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bya nyumba yeku.
Mkoroki netukamataira ateja betu mabati mwanka mochi. Duralong turi Isiolo barabareni ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongere bichine chieto kana turingire thimo kukurukira 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited. Tested, approved and trusted. Dedea turataukirwo ni umwe wa endo betu nitujuragwo ni kithiki kuringika kunene hamwe na nkoji cia nkoro gwitikira wendibo mwathani Murungu. Hamwe na bo nitwambairia kuibanga kubate aria muthia na rugendo do ndwambairia ja Cool Breeze Funeral Home. Iji nio mogenjeru Brumeru iria iri mwikano jo barabara Kirachene kilomita 3 wake kuma Meru National Polytechnic barabareni ya kuerekera na Nyuki. Cool Breeze Funeral Home nitujanaga utungata tabo gweka meri na kugeta postmortem na mareijetu nija kuguna mukojo waku. Turi na gontogo kunene na kotheru gwa gweka meri gari cha ukamata meri na kinyama thandoko nituboraidia na kumeria baria bataukirini endo bao na njira ya kubaridia mbere ya tutirothora na kirombero gietu. Turi na parking ya kongana, restaurant na minimart aria ateja betu baurukaga beterete gutungatirwa. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongera bichine chieto Kirachene Meru kana turingire thimo gukurukira namba iji 0798 715 653. Ubichi chieto irugoragwa mathaa 24. Cool Breeze Funeral Home, for services you can trust.
Shukisha!